Want to transform your image into Ghibli-style art? Here's how to upload an image to Ghibliart AI. First, log into your account. Here you can see dashboard. From the dashboard, click on the upload image button. Browse your files and select the image you want to upload. After uploading, your image will appear in the editor. Now you are ready to apply styles or add prompts to enhance your artwork. If your upload fails, make sure your image format is supported. Like your image should be in the format of JPG or PNG, and the file size is not too large. And that's it. Your image is ready for editing. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.